Meanwhile, with the top story of the day, the Mumbai Sessions Court has taken a brief 45-minute lunch break for now amid Aryan Khan's bail plea hearing that has been resumed. NCB's counsel, Additional Solicitor General Anil Singh, presented his argument so far against bail, opposing the bail for Shah Rukh Khan's son. Now in the court, the Narcotics Control Bureau is arguing that the burden of evidence lies with the accused and has responded to the argument from Aryan's legal team that no drugs were found on him as the legal team has been claiming. The Bureau has said the drugs with Arbaz Merchant, who is already under arrest, were meant for him and Aryan Khan's consumption. Narcotics Control Bureau has also said in the court that Aryan has been a regular consumer of drugs and this was not his first time. They are reiterating that there's an international drug racket angle and there are WhatsApp conversations on the mobile phone already with the NCB to prove that the superstar's son wanted to not just consume but also sell hard drugs. This is what the Narcotics Control Bureau has said, highlighting that Aryan voluntarily surrendered his mobile phone as well to the Bureau. So that's the big news that has come in for now. Remember, this is big news. This is just in about a short while. We are being told in few minutes that that hearing will resume. But why is this today so crucial? For the next 5 days, the Sessions Court is going to be shut. The Shera celebrations, then the weekend, and also Monday, Tuesday will be an extended holiday with regard to the court functioning. So if Aryan Khan may get bail, it can only happen today or more 5 days of jail time for him. So what are the pointers that have come forth from Aryan Khan's defense? What is he saying to get bail for himself from the court? Let me take you through some of the pointers now. Number one, I'm not a drug peddler, which basically means I do not consume and I definitely do not sell it to others. No connection with other accused. Remember, at least 5 people have been arrested, even though he has known one personally and he has maintained it, but there has been no consumption or association with drugs. Nothing new in NCB's affidavit, primarily the fact with regard to against Aryan Khan, there was nothing new that has been mentioned. Did not have cash to buy drugs. His advocate representing him has said he did not have cash to buy drugs. How could he have possibly gone ahead and bought it or sold it? Suffered, learnt my lesson. Now this, of course, for the fact that he has been taken into arrest because there could have been other accused involved. He, according to his advocates, had nothing to do with it. Law must be reformative in also making and suggesting that if at all there is something to come of it, there needs to be a reform and not just a punishment that has come even with the arrest. Not charged with illicit trafficking. Illicit trafficking was a term used by the Narcotics Control Bureau, to which Aryan Khan has said definitely has no links with it. Where is the conspiracy? How am I involved if I did not have drugs to consumption? If I did not have it for sale, if I was not involved in any of it, how is it also conspiracy? 6 gram charas was seized. This is also about the commercial quantity that is usually then can become more problematic, to which it is being said it was not of that high quantity. All accused are not connected. Yes, there are people that there may have been on the vessel who were taken into arrest. It's not necessary all of them have similar intent. However, for now, the Narcotics Bureau says there was a common intent. I want to go across now to our colleagues. There's Kamlesh Sutar, who's also been talking to Minister Nawab Malik, who has already hinted and said that this is all a conspiracy, some sort of political vendetta. But Kamlesh, what is the situation at the court? It appears to be a strong defense, but what I see is the Bureau is not backing down either, Kamlesh.
Indeed, Pooja, there are 2 aspects that we have to look into at this point in time. First, the argument made by the NCB at this point in time, and then also the second important point is the time that is left with Aryan Khan and his defense team. For the first, to start with, the hearing is about to start 2:45 post lunch. The court will start its hearing again. First thing that I mentioned earlier, Pooja, is about the opposition of the bail by the NCB. The NCB has put across a strong case here, saying that we need to investigate more into the international racket angle of it, since we have found some WhatsApp chat, and the kind of quantity that was seized is certainly not the one that is for personal consumption. The NCB says that the drug that was Aryan Khan was into drug consumption for last 3 years, and going by the WhatsApp chat, the quantity that was ordered or that seems to be in question is far more than the one used for consumption. This seems like a commercial quantity. So that is one of the cases that they are putting up. But the second point that I mentioned, it's 2:45 already, and as my colleagues have been saying since morning and bringing it to the notice, that today is perhaps the last day before the court goes on a 5-day holiday. Tomorrow is Dussehra. Saturday, Sunday the court won't be sitting. Monday and Tuesday again there will be off. So that means practically that the next hearing would be on Wednesday. So going by the strong arguments that both sides are putting up, it might take another couple of hours for the decision to come. And in case if it doesn't come, then Aryan Khan perhaps will have to spend 5 more nights at the Arthur Road jail. So we'll have to wait and watch what the NCB has to further say and what defense does Aryan Khan's team put up. We'll be keeping a close eye on that.
Yes.
Vidya, our colleague, is inside the court and she will be giving us all the important updates that are happening. But as far as it's going to be a strong argument from both the sides.
Kamlesh, I'm going to shortly come back to you when again the hearing resumes. This is going to be a big day, just a matter of few more hours. But after a very short break, now remember